Now, let's talk about earnings and the monthly trackers. Below the top menu, you will find a link that with just one click takes you to your earnings reports page on Amazon. You will need to be logged in to view it, otherwise it will prompt you to log in. Underneath that, you can see your performance for each month, and you can filter this database by year. For example, here, it already has every month for 2025 set up. If you want to add a new month for another year, simply adjust the filter to the correct year, click New, and title the page with the number of the month. For example, if it's January, you will title it with the number 1. It's important to use the month's number so the reports in the graphs database, which I will show you later, are displayed in chronological order. Lastly, you can customize the cover for that month by clicking Reposition and dragging the image until you find the part that represents that month, like here, January. On the next tab labeled Overview, you will see all the months in a list view. You can also filter this view by year or leave it as is to display all the months for every year. In this section, you will see the Published Videos column, which updates automatically each time you change the status of a product from Video in Progress to Published. Just remember when working on a video to select a month in the monthly report column before changing the status so all the data links correctly. Next, there is the earnings column, which needs to be filled in manually. So at the beginning of each month, you can enter how much you earned during the previous month in the program. And then we also have a tab for viewing your earnings in graph form, along with another graph that tracks how many videos you have uploaded each month. And you can also filter these views by year if needed. Once you have entered your earnings on the monthly pages, those numbers will automatically appear in the monthly tracker gallery view. And inside each monthly page, you will also find a graph showing all the videos you published on that month, organized by product categories. Additionally, if you want to track your top-selling products, at the end of each month you can check your Amazon reports to see which products generate the most revenue. You can add links to those product pages here, making it easier to identify what's working for you so you can focus on creating more of that.